Today I'm making a recipe that was a huge hit when I was developing it here in the kitchen. It's gnocchi with peas and arugula, and it could not be easier. I have already, in the pot that I'm gonna cook my gnocchi, soft boiled some eggs because this gets served with a delicious sort of creamy egg at the end. But I just put them into the pot. It was a clean shell. Obviously wash the shell because you're going to cook your gnocchi in the same pot. You wanna make sure it's clean. Slice one white onion very thinly. Oh, to cook the egg, bring your water to a boil, make sure the shell is clean, and then add it to the pot and cook for 6 minutes. Then take it out and run it under cold water to stop the cooking. That's how you get a soft-boiled egg. So that's the onion. I'm gonna drop my gnocchi now. It's 1 pound of fresh gnocchi. You can also use the frozen kind. Let that cook for about 1.5 minutes. You can give that a stir. Salted boiling water. While that's coming back to a boil, this is 1 bunch of arugula that I have washed and dried. For the arugula, you'll want to remove the tough stems. You certainly won't have those if you buy the 5-ounce package of baby arugula, but I like a nice hearty arugula. If you can find it, use that. But you will want to remove the stems and then chop it into, it doesn't really matter, but you don't want them in long strands when you're eating it. It makes it difficult. That's your arugula component. Once the gnocchi start to float, you can add the peas. It's 1.5 cups of peas. You can use fresh, but you can also use frozen. It's totally fine. I love frozen peas. And then just stir that around. Return the pot to a boil. If you're using fresh peas, it might take another 20 seconds on top of that before you add your arugula. You just add the arugula, stir it in, and then drain the whole thing. Your arugula just needs to wilt down. You do not need to cook it more than that. Save 3/4 of a cup of pasta water and then drain the entire thing. So in the same pot, I mean, you could do it in a separate pot, but I'm just gonna do it right here in the same pot. You will melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and add your onion. You're gonna saute that just a little bit, melt it down. Season with some salt and pepper. Cook some of that water out of those onions, get them nice and translucent. When your onions are translucent, add 1/3 of a cup of heavy cream. Also add 1/4 of a cup of that pasta water. You may need a little bit more later, so don't throw it away yet. And 2 ounces of grated Parmesan cheese, about 3/4 of a cup. Stir this around to make like a creamy sauce, and then immediately add your drained mixture. The peas, the arugula, the gnocchi. It smells like an Alfredo sauce in here. That's sort of what you're making. And then just stir everything around to coat, and dinner's done. That's it. It's so fragrant. Oh my gosh. All right, a little bit more of this, pepper. And then it will be served with the soft-boiled egg. So serve it up. If you feel like it's not creamy enough anymore or it starts drying out, you can stir in some of that pasta water. I feel like mine's doing okay right now, so I don't need to. The egg is optional, of course, if you don't enjoy that sort of thing, but it adds a little layer of excellence, I think. Cut into it. A fresh grating of cheese, maybe a little bit on top. Another sprinkle of black pepper, and dinner is served. I'd say that's basically as good as any restaurant, and you made it at home. Enjoy. If you like recipes like this and you want more, make sure to click like and subscribe because we have plenty more where this came from.